Yo, what's up to the old people out there, yo? Arjun in the house, together with my friend here, Aaron. We finished the deposit area, you know. We're fixing all the fries of the, the fulus. I'm here, I'm making my sample beatbox. This is the beatbox number 1. This is the beatbox number 2. Okay, and this is the beatbox number 3. Okay, I do it together. I put the 1, 2, 3 in the same place. Alright? Alright. Listen up. Yun yung beat number 1. Sumabit na, okay, hanggang doon lang. Tamang 3 pin lang, may upload natin sa Facebook to. Tawa ng tawa na yung pips natin dito.
Yeah!
Beatbox yun, pare. Mga tropa kong tunog tao dyan.
Panad ka, friend!
Oh, bakit pili lang? Lamput. Ano? Oh, magre-remit na kami ha. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita ha. Upload na lang natin to. So yung makasalamat muna.
Masalam!
Upload to sarado na. Mga bebot. Ay, mga bebot natin dyan, mga nakatayo. Oh. Mga di naggalawan eh. Hanggang dyan na lang, hanggang 1 minute lang, masalam. Chokran lang po, and Elwin.
Sit at the house, yo.
Yes, in the house, yo. Bakit na?